Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be doing the HP DV6 part 2. So let's get it done. Let's do the minimized recovery. So I'm doing F11 for computer startup, so we can boot into the recovery environment for system recovery, so we can do the minimized option. So here's the loading files. Starting Windows. Come on. Alright, so we're going to do the minimized image recovery. So recover without backing up your files because I have no files. Nothing's plugged in. Except nothing's literally plugged in except for the power. Yeah, use this program. It's originally factory condition, but it's the minimized. But hopefully, yep, reformatted. Yep, yep. So I'm going to do next, and I'm going to pause it, and we'll get started. Alright guys, so it says the recovery preparation is complete. I'm going to click continue, and I'm going to shut it off as I gotta go do some things. I don't want to do it just yet. I don't want it to boot just yet, so I guess we'll boot it in a little bit. So yeah. Guys, I'm ready to boot it now, so let's get it done and over with. Alright, I'm going to time lapse this. basically the recovery is complete. I'm going to click finish. I'm going to push the power button, and I'm actually going to work on this later. I'm going to image the drive later and do all that stuff later. So I'm actually going to put this video on pause basically for now, and I will image it and all that later. I just want to go lay down right now, so yeah. Alright guys, so it's been a few hours later. I just want to lay down for a little while. I imaged the drive, so we're going to boot it now. So I'm going to go through setup. I'll show you the app starter installed, and then I'm going to wrap up the video. And then there'll be a part 3 to this where I make recovery media with the recovery partition that I created in part 1. So setup is preparing your computer for first use. Alright, so I'm just gonna put HP for now, not adding a password. I accept the license agreement. Ask me later. Check my time zone. Skip network. So this should have a lot less blow, in theory, if it worked properly. So this should be going a lot faster. I mean, it still has an SSD. I mean, when I first got this computer, I put a hard drive in it and used it for that for like a little bit before I replaced it with an SSD. I've like always used this thing with the, well, at least the primary drive's always had an SSD pretty much ever since I've had that computer. So, and yep, we got the minimized recovery. So yeah, there's a lot less software on here, as you can see, just basic. There's no additional games. I mean, there is some HP software. I'll probably end up going and removing all the Media Smart stuff because I don't care about that. I mean, we still have the recovery, we can create recovery media still, so we still have that option. Light scribe, that's default. The recovery media, recovery manager again, Roxio, startup, nothing. So I'm going to go to control panel, and I'm going to full screen this, and this is all that is installed. Yep, that's it. A lot less software than it was before. If you saw part 1, before there was 68 apps. Now we're down to 33, but I'm probably gonna go and remove at least all the Media Smart stuff and like Cinema Now, which I'll do that off camera. But yeah, I just wanted to show doing the oh yeah, if you didn't see part 1, there is more backstory to this computer that I more explain on why there's this wallpaper. But let's actually set the one that would match the computer better, aka the one that would technically be for the computer, aka this background. So we got this background right here, which I mean looks pretty nice. I do like it. But yeah, so I'm going to have another part to this video where I create recovery media. So thank you guys for watching. Comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the bell so you guys see new notifications on when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye for now.